Provantage legit. Provantagecom review. Computers and Technology Store. Provantage legit. Provantagecom review. Computers and Technology Store. If you're shopping for computers, electronics, or tech accessories online, Provantagecom is a name that frequently appears. But is it legit, or should you be cautious? Most people get this wrong by assuming online electronic stores with low prices are scams. The surprising truth is that Provantagecom is a legitimate, well-established retailer specializing in computers, networking equipment, and other tech products. It offers a wide range of brands, from desktops and laptops to servers and peripherals. You won't believe what happens next. Customer feedback is largely positive, highlighting fast shipping, competitive pricing, and reliable products. Some minor complaints involve limited customer support hours or delayed shipments, but these are typical in tech retail and don't indicate a scam. The website uses secure payment gateways and returns are generally straightforward when policies are followed. In conclusion, Provantagecom is a trustworthy online tech store. For anyone looking for computer hardware, accessories, or networking solutions, it's a legitimate and reliable option. Always double-check product specifications and warranty details, but overall, you can confidently shop here without worrying about scams.